Generally use this app for making grids. You can use any, link will be in description. So first we need to click on image here, then on gallery. We select our image that we have to draw. In this case it is this one. And then it automatically creates some grids, but we can change it as we want. I'm gonna change grid color. From here you can change the grid color. I'm just changing it to white so that it's more visible. Now we will look how to make it on paper. In this image I have 7 columns and 10 rows. I'm just gonna show you how to make it on paper. My paper is A4 size, roughly 21 to 30, 21 by 30 centimeter. So if I were to multiply 7 by 10, which was on the image, each by 3, I get 21 by 30, exactly my paper needs. So I'm just gonna draw grids of 3 centimeter each. To do this, first I draw 3 centimeters on one side of the paper. I'm gonna draw it on the other side of the paper and then just connect these two dots. This is easiest way to make the grids. Important to note is the dimensions of the paper and changing it the dimensions of the grids on the app accordingly, because this is very important. It should be perfect squares that should be made on the paper. I'm gonna draw the columns also. So here it is, my grid is ready. I just need to draw the sketch. Now how you're gonna do this is that you're gonna see from the app. So just draw whatever lines you see on these grids on the paper. At first it's gonna look a little different, but just trust the process and it'll turn out just fine. So here it is, my sketch is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and do consider giving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.